Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Android subsystem on Windows 11. It does seem very easy when you look online, but sometimes you get all sorts of issues, errors, or sometimes it just literally doesn't show up when you try to download it. First of all, make sure you like and share the video, subscribe to the channel please, and make sure you meet the hardware requirements. You find those online. Now basically what they're saying everywhere is make sure everything is up to date. So we're gonna go to Windows Update and make sure this one is up to date. Check for updates. Up to date. Right, okay, we go again to Microsoft Store, which we do something similar. We go here to Library, get updates, just to see if there's anything to be updated. Okay, so everything is up to date. Now the reason why I'm trying to show you how to do this, install the Android subsystem here, is because it kind of saves you the hassle of carrying an extra tool with you. I mean, for example, if you go, say for example, if you use CAS, yeah, you go to do a remap on a car, you automatically should have with you a diagnostic scanner with you. So that's an extra tool anyway. So this way you can get, I don't know, just a small OBD reader, yeah, connected to either wire or Bluetooth. And if you want to see some trouble codes or whatever, you just, you know, use it from the same laptop or whatever you're carrying it with you. So yeah, that's the main purpose why I'm doing this. Now reason can be loads of them, you know, various. Okay, so we check those, we're all up to date. Now if we go to, sorry, I closed that. So if we go to Microsoft Store, we search for, I already searched for it, so for Amazon AppStore, you should pop up here somewhere, but it's nowhere. So, and I tried some other ways, I've been looking online. The only way to get it working is this one that I'm showing you. So basically, what we need pretty much for these two links. So we're gonna get this one. I'm gonna put them all in the description, and I'm gonna do another video with to show you how to sideload the applications, because this is only to install the subsystem on Windows 11, not the actual apps. Okay, so we got this one. We copy this, open browser, paste it over here. Then we got the second link, which is this one over here. Now I'm gonna copy this one as well, yeah. So I'm just gonna show you. So if you go to the link itself, which is from Microsoft, obviously it shows you Windows subsystem for Android with Amazon App Store. Okay, happy days, free, even better. Now if you go get, it opens up, it brings up the Microsoft Store, but guess what, it says this app will not work on your device, and that's kind of end of story now for this this particular way of doing it. But we're gonna use this link that we just copied. It here, yeah, copy it again just to show you we don't need this. So we're using these guys. I'm gonna paste the link here. Make sure you click this drop down and click on slow. Right, so you got everything that you need here. So basically what we're gonna need is this one over here, the MSI X bundle, yeah. Click on it to download it. Well, it's not downloading, guys. I'm gonna save it. Just gonna go to downloads, yeah. No, actually I'm gonna go to, let's put it on in the root, yeah, on drive C. Click on new folder, just put Android. Okay. I'm gonna download this over here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one. Right. So now what we do is go anywhere, just right click and not here, somewhere. PowerShell run as administrator. So I'm just getting used to Windows 11. I mean, it's quite new for me, so don't know all the shortcuts. Right, so we go here, yeah. So we're gonna go cd, then we go to cd. Sorry, it's /users/ your username. In my case, it's kamikaze, yeah. And then /downloads. Okay, I had to freeze the video for a few seconds. I realized I made a mistake, so basically I saved them in the Android folder, but I run them from the downloads folder. Just make sure you go to the folder where you save them and run them from there. Add -app_x package. I'm gonna go /mic and keep hitting tab until you get to the one that we need, which is this one, yeah. Microsoft Subsystem for Android, yeah, and just click enter. Now, okay, so some of you might get this error, so you're missing this framework, yeah, version 2.6. We do the same thing. We go back to the website and we look for it, yeah. So it's version 2.6. Look for the latest version for what you need. In my case, it's gonna be you don't want the block map, yeah. So you need this one, AppX. In my case, it's gonna be x64. If any of these other ones is for you, feel free to download it. But I need this one, yeah. So version 2.6 x64. So I'm gonna do the same. Save link as same folder. Save, yeah. Right. So I downloaded that one as well. Now we go to again the same. And it's gonna be Microsoft. So leave it like this. Just hit tab until you get to the Microsoft.UI, which is the first one in my case, yeah. Install this one. Hit enter for that. Now we go and install the subsystem again, or try to, yeah. Excuse me, that was my alarm clock. Okay, so apparently it's been installed. Let's check it. Go to start, and there it is. So if you click on it, you got all these options and everything. Now Now IP address, if you don't have one, you make sure you, okay, continue. You click there, it's gonna start the subsystem. If this pops up, you just close it, doesn't really matter. Right, so now if you click refresh over here, see, we get an IP address which we can use on you know, wherever we need it. You got developer mode, you got all sorts of settings here. Right, so now I'm gonna turn it off, the subsystem. We're pretty much done now. So yeah, once again, please make sure you like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, please. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna show you how to sideload the applications, and I might do another one showing you how to put the Google Play Store in Windows as well. But that's it for now. It's all working, and I'll see you on the next video.